Good day everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a mockup for beginners by using Photopea. So to start we need to choose our mockup template, go to file and open, and before we actually do that just make sure that you have a ready, like I'm giving you an example of a book. When you start you need to have a ready book cover or any other project or any other products you want to sell. For example, you need to have a ready image of it, a photo or whatever, right? It's just required for us to work with it. So I already have it. I'm going to just open it. So this is like just an example of a book cover. So the first thing you need to do is open your actual cover, and then the second thing we do is go to file and open our mockup, right, which we downloaded in either a zip file form or in the PSD file form. So I'm going to open the PSD file that I have here. So as you can see, this is our mockup. So this image is not going to be here, it's going to be actually on top of this book, and it's going to have like this 3D look. As you can see, it has. We need to basically make sure that our image is on top of here in order to do that. So as you can see, we have a book mockup little like a element here, square inside, so just double click it, and as you can see, it opens in a new small element here, layer 22. And here basically you need to find your book cover in your PC and just basically drag and drop it on top of here, right? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to find my book cover and paste it on top of here. Okay, so as you can see, it just completely pastes itself on top of the stock mockup, and now we just need to drag it onto the left and onto the right so that it takes all the space, and also make sure that you press shift while you do it. Okay, so let's press shift and drag it onto the left and onto the right. So as you can see, now we have it almost ready, and now press Ctrl S. As you can see, Smart Object Updated. This basically connects our element, which is a book cover, to our actual mockup. As you can see, it's already here, and it's kind of switched its angle, and now it's beautifully pasted on top of our book, right? So this is the mockup. So this is something you should never disable. So as you can see, it just disappears. It's like it's the main thing we're doing, so just don't touch this. But you can change the brightness and the contrast. You can also choose whether you want to have this original background, for example, is just white. You can change it to anything you want. And at the end, to save this whole project with all of the layers inside. So as you can see, we have a lot of layers inside. If you mess around with this, you want to keep all of this. So you go to file, and the first thing you do is just press on save as PSD. Just press on this, and you can download it on your computer as a PSD file, or you can just say file, press on file, export as, and you can save it as a PNG, which is an image, and then you can just save it onto your computer, and it's basically done. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.